Welcome viewers. Here is another example under geometric progression. The question says the second term of a geometric progression is 9, while the fourth term is 81. Find the sixth term. So from the definition, we know that the nth term of geometric progression is given as ARn minus 1. Don't forget, geometric progression is it's also known as the exponential sequence. Each term are generated by multiplying by a number which we call common ratio, or you divide by a number which is also called what? Common ratio. That is how we generate geometric sequence. And this is the nth term of a geometric sequence. That is, you want to generate, if you can generate all the terms starting from, maybe depends on what you are given, so you can generate all the members of such a sequence. Now in this question, T2, second term, that is your T2, is 9, while the fourth term, which is T4, equals to 81. And the question says we should find the sixth term. First to calculate the sixth term, we need to know the first term and the common ratio. So we can use this to form equations. So now our T2, which equals to 9, when n equals to 2, so we have a r raised to the power of 2 minus 1. And that is the same thing as a r raised to the power of 1, which is ar. When T4, that is when n equals to 4. T2, that is when n equals to 2. T4, that is when n equals to 4. Now when n equals to 4, so this will also be equals to a, which is unknown, r raised to the power of 4 minus 1. And that is a r raised to the power of 3. Now we have two equations. From T2, we have 9 equals to AR. From T4, we have 81 equals to AR raised to the power of 3. That is from the first equation, we have AR equals to 9. From this second equation, we have AR raised to the power of 3. AR raised to the power of 3 equals 81. Now, what we need to do here, we can divide the two equations in order to solve this. Now let's divide the two equations. I'm dividing the equation 1 by equation 2. So this is my equation 2, AR raised to the power of 3 divided by AR equals to 81 divided by 9. So this is my equation 1 divided by equation 2. A is gone. R, you have just R square here. 9 goes here. This is also 9. So now we have R square equals to 9. When R square equals to 9, your R equals to plus or minus square root of 9. And that is plus or minus 3. So meaning square of negative 3 equals to 9. Square of positive 3 is also equals to 9. Now we have two values for R. If the question says your R is positive, we are going for R equals to 3. But since in this question it's not stated if R equals to 3 or not, so we may use any of these two values, or we use both. Now we have the value of R. We are looking for the value of A. You can put your A in any of these two equations. So now meaning from equation 1, we have AR equals to 9. Now when R equals to positive 3, so we have A multiplied by 3 equals to 9. So divide both sides by 3. So that is A equals to 3. When you decide to use negative 3, so we have AR multiplied by negative 3 equals to 9. So meaning A equals to 9 divided by negative 3. And that is negative 3. So meaning our A can be 3 or negative 3. Now if we go by positive 3, since the question says find the sixth term, So we are just going to use the formula for the sixth term of AP. And what's the formula for sixth term of AP? The formula will be T6 equals, when n equals to 6, a r raised power of 6 minus 1, that is 5. So now, when a equals to 3, your r is also positive. When you are going for this, you are using positive, positive. When we are going for the second case, it means a equals to negative 3. As well, r is also negative 3. So now you don't mix it up. If you are going for positive, you use positive a, positive r. If you are going for negative, you use negative a, negative r. Now here, T6 will now be, I'm going for positive a, so we have a 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 5. And that is just 3 raised to the power of 6. Also, if we are going for negative answer, so our T6 will still be negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 raised to the power of 5. And this will be negative 3 raised to the power of 6. And anytime a negative number is raised to the power of an even number, so your result will still be positive. So that is still 3 raised to the power of 6. So meaning our T6 is 3 raised to the power of 6. Our T6 equals to 3 raised to the power of 6. And that is 729. 729. So our T6 equals to 729. T6. And that is the solution to this question.